Hi, I'm Jennifer from A Live Little, and I'm here in our South Windsor store today baking an olive oil cake. And it's summertime, and we're talking about picnics, and thought that this particular cake kind of screams of summer. It's cornmeal, so it's got a little bit of crunch, and we've got some berry in it. And it's so easy to make. Olive oil cakes, you don't have to cream any butter. In fact, you don't even need a mixer. So I thought I'd mix it up really quick, show you how easy it is to do, and then you'll see the finished product right away, and you can try it yourself. So I've started with 3 eggs and just some regular sugar. We're going to put it all in there, mix it up quickly. And this cake calls for just olive oil, no butter, and you can use a traditional olive oil that has no flavor to it, or you can use a flavored oil. And in this case, I'm using our blood orange infused olive oil. I love it. The recipe calls for some orange zest, and when you're using the orange oil, you don't really even need the zest. You can put it in if you want, but not necessary, okay? And then a little amaretto. You could use an orange flavored liqueur if you prefer, Grand Marnier or Triple Sec. Or change up, put something else in, maybe like a limoncello if you wanted to make more of a lemon flavor. You could use lemon olive oil as well. Really easy, that's it. No mixer needed. Then some milk. And the cake, the batter is a pretty loose batter. It's not going to be a thick batter. You're going to look at it when it's done and you're going to say, wow, is this really all going to come together? But it does. It comes together really nicely. All right, and then we're going to add all of our dry ingredients, some nice, more coarse ground cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, and then some all-purpose flour. There we go. Mix it all together. And you know what? This cake is good with no berries in it. You don't need to add any berries. Sometimes I'll make it in the winter, and then I'll just maybe get a can of mandarin oranges and serve them along the side with it. And it's okay if it's still just a little bit lumpy. We got a nice batter, just like that. Then we're going to add our berries. I'm using blueberries and strawberries. You can use raspberries. It's fine. Combination of all 3. So it's a pretty loose batter, but don't worry, it'll all come together. And it doesn't make a real light cake, which is actually kind of nice for picnicking because you can bring it to a picnic, packed in a cooler, all sliced. And they're pretty hearty in a way and light at the same time, so it's not going to fall apart on you. So here we go. Poured it into a 9-inch pan that's been greased, and I like to put a parchment round at the bottom of it, and it'll bake for anywhere between 40 and 50 minutes depending on your oven at 350 degrees. And then when you're done, this is what you're going to get. It's really beautiful. I love the berry action on top. It's moist. You can see I've already put a little bit of sprinkled some sugar on here. We'll put a little bit more. And you could put a little whipped cream if you'd like. But it's a nice, easy cake to hold on to and just take a nice bite out of. You don't really even need a fork if you're really doing some down and dirty, heavy picnicking. So enjoy it perhaps this summer on 4th of July. And you can get the recipe on our website.